For years, the smartphone market has followed the same formula: bigger cameras, faster processors, brighter displays, and larger batteries. Every new flagship promises better specs than the last. But this year, Google seems ready to take a completely different path with the Pixel 11, and that could be exactly what makes it stand out against phones like the iPhone 18 and Samsung Galaxy S27. The Pixel 11 series is expected to launch on August 12th, and based on all the leaks so far, this phone isn't trying to win the hardware race. Instead of chasing the biggest numbers on a spec sheet, Google appears focused on changing how people actually use their smartphones every day. That might sound surprising because Pixel phones have often been criticized for falling behind in hardware. They usually don't have the fastest processors, the biggest batteries, or the highest camera specifications. Even Google's famous camera advantage isn't as big as it used to be, since competitors have improved their own image processing over the years. Yet despite all of those criticisms, the Pixel lineup continues to grow. Recent reports suggest Pixel shipments increased by around 16% compared to last year, making Google one of the fastest-growing smartphone brands during a time when the overall market actually declined. Even the affordable Pixel 10 reportedly performed very well, proving that many buyers are looking for something beyond raw specifications. Of course, the Pixel 11 won't have an easy journey. Leaks suggest the new phones could cost around $100 more in the United States and roughly €100 more in Europe. That's a noticeable price increase. At the same time, the standard model may only receive a new main camera, while battery capacities could actually become smaller across the lineup. The new Tensor G6 processor is also creating mixed reactions. It's expected to be built using an advanced 2nm manufacturing process, which should improve efficiency. However, reports claim Google may remove one processor core, leaving many people wondering whether the performance gains will be significant enough. Another concern is software reliability. Pixel devices have earned a reputation for delivering clean Android experiences, but they have also faced bugs and occasional performance issues after major updates. Google will need to convince buyers that those problems are finally under control. So why would anyone choose the Pixel 11 over the iPhone 18 or Galaxy S27? The answer is simple: the Pixel experience. Pixel owners usually care less about benchmark scores and more about how the phone feels to use. They appreciate Google's clean version of Android without unnecessary apps or carrier software. They also enjoy receiving Android updates before almost every other smartphone. That combination has helped build a loyal community that values software over hardware. Google is also expected to improve two areas where previous Pixel phones struggled: battery life and network performance. A new modem could help reduce dropped calls while improving overall connectivity, making the phone much more reliable in everyday use. But the biggest surprise could be a brand new feature called Pixel Glow. According to recent leaks, Pixel Glow could transform the camera flash into a smart notification system. Instead of constantly checking the display, users could receive visual alerts directly from the back of the phone. Even more interesting, Pixel Glow may allow users to interact with Google's Gemini AI without unlocking the device. If this works as expected, simple AI tasks could become much faster while reducing the need to stare at the screen all day. This idea also fits perfectly with Google's growing focus on digital wellness. Rather than encouraging more screen time, the company appears to be designing features that help people stay connected while spending less time looking at their phones. Meanwhile, Apple and Samsung are expected to continue refining their successful formulas with faster chips, better cameras, and premium hardware. Those upgrades are important, but they are also familiar. Google seems willing to take a bigger risk by rethinking how smartphones fit into daily life instead of simply improving specifications. Whether that strategy succeeds remains to be seen, but one thing is becoming clear. The Pixel 11 isn't trying to be another iPhone 18 or Galaxy S27, it's trying to become something different. What do you think about Google's approach? Is Pixel Glow the future of smartphones, or do specs still matter the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smartphone leaks, comparisons, and the latest tech news.